2020, or no, 2019 Aston Martin Vantage. This is a Aston Martin Vantage 2019, is that right?
Yes.
2019, 503 horsepower, and it is a twin turbo. Let's give it a second for it to turn green. It has a lot of blue stitching all over. Look how big the paddle shifters are. And let's see, right now we are, okay, there we go. You could change the suspension and the track modes. So let's see. Just waiting for it to turn green, like.
I see the suspension.
Yeah. This red light's so long. There we go.
Just waiting for the green light.